Hi, it's Gary at Broad Lane Leisure. Today I'm going to show you around this 2010 Swift Fairway 550 special edition, unique to Broad Lane. As such, it comes with a whole host of extras, not fitted at standard. It's got the Elco stabilisers, as you can see at the front there. It comes with a gas barbecue point for outdoor cooking. You've got the wet locker box for your storage for your bits and bobs. There is power in there too. Access locker space under the fixed bed, so you can get things like tables and chairs. It's got the heavy duty corner steadies front and back. It's got motor mover. It's got the alloy wheels. It's got a split entrance door. You can have half open, half closed. Inside, it's got the Fairway upholstery colours, rich warm colours they are too. Very much complement the furniture colourways. Full size Hecky roof light, as you can see there. Lovely to have that open, especially on a day like today. Comes with the alarm system. It's got loose lay, easy clean carpets. Look absolutely pristine. Look like they've never been used, to be fair. Wooden effect contemporary flooring. Again, easy to clean. Kitchen area benefits the microwave. You've got the extractor fan. Takes out the food smells, blows in some cool air. Full cooker unit with the electric hot plate. Useful if you run out of gas. You've got the grill hob oven there, as you can see. Thetford easy to use fridge with freeze compartment. It's got the silver fronted door, very contemporary, very smart it looks too, if I may say. Over the door, you've got a master control panel. You've got somewhere to put your TV. Controls the heating, hot water system. Gas electric fire with blow system. It's got the upgrade mattress. It's got the big thick mattress, as can be seen by the logo on the bed there. You can access it, as I said earlier, from outside to retrieve things like tables and chairs, and it lifts up on the inside, so it's a massive storage space. Double doors there to the wardrobe. As I walk through, got some shelving and a mirror. Residential style door handle, washroom on the back. This caravan's pristine, I would add. Loo with swivel seat, cassette blind system, as you can see, night screen, and the fly screens above it, look. Very slick it is too. That's right, the whole caravan. You've got the vanity mirror, you've got storage, wash basin, mixer tap. Door there to the shower. Nice big space it is too. Give you a view from the furthermost part of the back towards the front. Loads of locker storage over the bed again, look. Big thick chunky mattress. That really completes the specification of the Fairway. 2010, it's in lovely condition for its age. And I do stress it's in lovely condition, but don't take my word for it. Please come down and have a look. You've got PowerPoint, aerial point at the front there. Pop your TV on the chest of drawers if you wish to. But yeah, please come down and see us. The contact number is 01789 763432. I'll just give you a close-up of the upholstery colours. So rich warm colours, and they really do complement the furniture colours very nicely indeed. Thank you very much.